Valentino. I'm from Italy. I live in Germany and I found the clinic through social media, specifically on Instagram. I came here and found a really kind staff. They helped me in every possible way. I was provided with a translator and the doctors were incredibly professional and attentive. I highly recommend this clinic to everyone because it was a truly wonderful experience. And finally, after so many years, they have given me my smile back. Hello everyone!
Hello, I'm Dr. Abdurrahman from Lema Dental Clinic. I will provide information about our patient Valentino Fournier's treatment process. Our patient applied to our clinic stating that her teeth were worn and she had higher aesthetic expectations. At the same time, our patient also had complaints about the color of her teeth. Therefore, as a result of the intraoral examination and radiographic inspection, we stated that our patient had wear on her teeth due to bruxism, that these lengths were shortened, the tooth lengths were shortened, and that this needed to be treated. As a starting plan, we made adjustments by performing a gingivectomy on the gums. After these adjustments, we moved on to the tooth preparation stage. After preparing the teeth, following various trials for our patient, we produced her teeth and restorations according to the golden ratio and her facial proportions. We finished her treatments.